Welcome to New Snack City. Bright lights, cold hearts, and no refunds. At the center of it all sits Cauliflower's casino, the pearl of the city, polished and poisonous. And the man who owns it? Don Carrotelli. The Don of the Carrotelli crime family. He runs the tables, the streets, the whole damn skyline. Every bet, every debt. His name's on it. And one thing you learn fast in Snack City, you can bluff the house, but you can't cheat the Don.
No way! That's the third 7 in a row!
Wow, sir. You're on a hater.
These dice are weighted. Get him upstairs, now!
Sir, the Don would like a word.
Hey! What's the problem? I'm just lucky!